It's Wednesday, November 20th, 2024, and I'm Dave Sobel. 4 things to know today. Copilot gets smarter. Microsoft unveils AI agents, analytics dashboards, and new management tools. Microsoft's Windows Resiliency initiative, new tools and security enhancements to prevent future outages. The $349 Windows 365 link, Microsoft's answer to simplified endpoint management, and the T-Mobile breach highlighting ongoing cyber-espionage threat to global telecom infrastructure. This is the business of tech. Microsoft is hosting their Ignite event this week. There's something for everyone in this set of stories. Microsoft has unveiled a series of new artificial intelligence agents designed to enhance productivity and collaboration within Microsoft 365 Copilot. These pre-configured agents include tools for SharePoint, project management, and real-time meeting assistance, allowing businesses to deploy them with minimal setup. Additionally, the new Copilot features aim to automate repetitive tasks, summarize shared files in Teams, and manage meetings more efficiently in Outlook. Notably, the Copilot Analytics dashboard will help measure the impact of AI investments on productivity, tracking key metrics such as adoption rates. And Microsoft has established the largest enterprise AI agent ecosystem, with over 100,000 organizations creating or editing AI agents through its Copilot Studio. This rapid growth, described as a twofold increase in just one quarter, highlighted Microsoft's significant expansion in AI capabilities, especially following these announcements. The company now allows enterprises to utilize any of the 1,800 large language models in its Azure catalog, moving beyond exclusive reliance on OpenAI. Microsoft has launched 10 pre-built autonomous agents targeting core business functions, enhancing its enterprise infrastructure that integrates with over 1,400 systems. Early adopters like McKinsey and Pets at Home are already reaping benefits, with McKinsey reducing project intake workflows from 20 days to just 2. Further updates include the Copilot Control System, which provides IT teams with advanced tools to manage and secure AI adoption. These aim to facilitate the responsible scaling of AI solutions within organizations. The Copilot Business Impact Report further aids this by providing valuable insights into how Copilot affects sales, finance, and other business functions. It is currently in public preview. And Microsoft unveiled the Azure AI Foundry, a comprehensive platform that consolidates its enterprise AI services. The initiative aims to streamline the development and deployment of AI solutions, addressing the needs of business leaders seeking efficiency and cost effectiveness. The platform features a model catalog with both closed and open foundation models, alongside tools like Azure AI Search and Azure Machine Learning. Developers will have access to a new software development kit for customizing and managing AI applications, along with 25 pre-built templates to facilitate integration. Additionally, the Azure AI Agent service will allow the orchestration of multiple AI tools to automate business processes. Why do we care? Well, the introduction of pre-configured agents for Microsoft 365 Copilot reflects Microsoft's strategy to simplify AI deployment. By minimizing setup, businesses can integrate these tools without requiring advanced expertise, broadening AI's accessibility to non-technical teams. And the Copilot Analytics dashboard is a differentiator, offering CIOs and IT leaders measurable insights into AI's impact. This focus on ROI will appeal to companies cautious about investing in AI, providing a framework for justifying and scaling future deployments. And by providing advanced management tools for IT teams, Microsoft addresses a critical barrier to scaling AI, governance, and security. Organizations concerned about compliance, data security, or ethical AI deployment will find these features part of their portfolio. While enterprise-focused features like the Azure AI Foundry and pre-built agents are compelling, smaller businesses may struggle to realize the full value of these tools due to limited budgets or technical resources. Or they will be enabled by IT services companies. 1 minute, EDR and MDR providers are telling you you don't need a SIM. And the next, they're telling you to duct tape some logs together and upsell you an add-on. Blue Mirror offers a game-changing cloud SIM platform designed for IT teams of any size. Unlimited ingestion, unlimited integrations, managed detections, guided response, 1-year retention, and 24/7 SOC support. And the best part? Blue Mirror is free for MSPs. Don't settle for a SIM-ish add-on. Get started with your NFR account at bluemira.com/radio. That's BLUMIRA.com/radio. Microsoft launched a new Windows Resiliency initiative to prevent incidents similar to the CrowdStrike outage that affected 8.5 million Windows PCs and servers back in July. This initiative will introduce significant changes to Windows, enhancing recovery tools and improving security measures. A new feature called Quick Machine Recovery will allow IT administrators to remotely address issues on machines that cannot boot properly. Microsoft is also mandating that security vendors involved in the Microsoft Virus Initiative implement enhanced testing and safe deployment practices. The company is also transitioning to using memory-safe programming languages like Rust to bolster operating system security. And Microsoft has unveiled new details about the Windows 11 Administrator Protection feature, currently available in preview, designed to enhance security by using Windows Hello authentication. This feature, introduced in a preview build last month, aims to protect administrative rights by requiring users to authenticate with a PIN or biometric method when attempting to modify system settings or install applications. The system operates under standard user permissions, creating a temporary admin token that is deleted after the task is completed, thereby reducing the risk of malware access to critical resources. This feature is disabled by default and must be enabled through group policy. Additionally, the update includes personal data encryption to secure files in the desktop, documents, and pictures folders, and introduces smart app control to prevent the installation of unsafe applications. Furthermore, Microsoft is implementing hot patching for Windows 11 Enterprise and Windows 365, allowing updates to be applied without restarting the device. And Microsoft is offering a total of $4 million in bug bounties for security researchers who identify vulnerabilities in select Microsoft products. The announcement includes an invitation-only hacking event called the Zero Day Quest, aimed at the top-ranked researcher, while a broader research challenge invites anyone interested to participate. The challenge runs until January 19, 2025, as part of the Microsoft Artificial Intelligence Bounty Program. Notable areas of focus for the bounties include critical and important security flaws related to remote code execution and privilege escalation. Why do we care? Well, tactically, there will be a lot of changes to make in managing Windows systems to come. By introducing Quick Machine Recovery, Microsoft addresses a significant pain point for IT administrators who need remote tools to minimize downtime and recover unbootable systems. And strategically, Microsoft is focusing on strengthening Windows resiliency and security, driven by the high-profile CrowdStrike outage and ongoing concerns about the vulnerability in enterprise and personal computing environments. And some hardware. Microsoft unveiled its new Windows 365 Link, a mini PC designed specifically for office environments during the Ignite conference. This compact, fanless device, which costs around $349, connects employees to corporate cloud applications without the need for local storage. It supports video conferencing on up to 2 external monitors at 4K resolution, making it suitable for remote work. The device features robust connectivity options, including 2 USB-A ports, HDMI, USB-C, an audio port, and Ethernet, all while being easy to set up and manage through Microsoft Intune. Microsoft 365 Link will be available to the general public in April 2025, with a preview program open now for select countries, including the United States and Canada. And Microsoft announced that it will bring the full capabilities of Windows 11 to the Meta Quest 3 and Quest 3S in December, starting with a public preview. This integration allows users to connect to a local or cloud instance of Windows in just seconds, providing a high-quality multi-monitor workstation experience. The new functionality will also support 3D applications, thanks to Microsoft Volumetric Apps technology. Developers can register for an API to create plugins for both new and existing 3D Windows desktop applications. Microsoft has been working on integrating Windows content into Meta devices since 2022, previously launching Microsoft 365 features and Xbox Cloud Gaming on the Quest platform. Why do we care? Well, the Windows 365 Link creates opportunities for providers to offer endpoint modernization services, helping businesses transition to cloud-first environments with managed setup and ongoing support. At $349, the device is priced competitively for businesses aiming to reduce the lifecycle management costs of traditional PCs while maintaining productivity. Native integration with Microsoft Intune simplifies deployment and ongoing management, appealing to IT administrators and IT service providers responsible for scaling endpoint devices across organizations. This feels like a natural fit for a significant segment. Spatial computing isn't dead, it's figuring out its use cases. Microsoft is following up on its move of discontinuing the HoloLens by leaning into Meta's offerings. Now we'll see if anyone figures out what to do with these platforms. Something non-Microsoft today. I covered Volt Typhoon and the risks to core infrastructure. Well, T-Mobile's network was hacked in a significant cyber-espionage operation attributed to a Chinese intelligence agency. This breach is part of a larger campaign targeting multiple U.S. and international telecommunications companies. Reports indicate that hackers aim to spy on the communications of high-value intelligence targets, although specific details about the timing of the attack remain unclear. T-Mobile stated that, at this time, their systems and customer data have not been significantly impacted. The FBI and the U.S. Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency recently noted that China-linked hackers have intercepted surveillance data intended for American law enforcement after breaching several telecom companies. The Chinese government has denied these allegations. Why do we care? Well, the T-Mobile breach is a stark reminder of the vulnerabilities in telecommunications infrastructure, which is a foundational element of the global digital economy. For enterprises and service providers, it underscores the importance of proactive security measures such as monitoring, encryption, and secure communication alternatives. Moreover, as geopolitical tensions influence the cyber landscape, businesses should expect an escalation in state-sponsored campaigns targeting critical sectors. Are you ready to get your brand in front of the tech leaders shaping the future of managed services? Here at the Business of Tech, we offer flexible sponsorship opportunities to meet your needs, whether it's live show sponsorship, podcast advertising, event promotion, or custom webinars. From affordable exposure options to exclusive sponsorships, our offerings are designed to fit businesses and vendors of all sizes looking to make an impact. Prices start at just $500 per month, making our packages a fraction of typical event sponsorship costs. Be a part of the conversation that matters to IT service providers worldwide. Join us at MSP Radio and amplify your message where it counts. Visit mspradio.com/engage today to explore all the ways we can help you grow. Thanks for listening. Today is National Payback Your Parents Day. Perhaps a phone call. Got a comment or a thought on a story? Put it in the comments if you're on YouTube, or reach out on LinkedIn if you're listening to the podcast. I've really been enjoying some of the questions and comments I'm getting on the videos. If you're enjoying this show, give it a review and make sure you subscribed or followed on your favorite platform. I will talk to you again tomorrow.
The Business of Tech is written and produced by me, Dave Sobel, under ethics guidelines posted at businessof.tech. If you like the content, please make sure to hit that like button, follow, or subscribe. It's free and easy and the best way to support the show and help us grow. You can also check out our Patreon, where you can join the Business of Tech community at patreon.com/MSP Radio, or buy our Why Do We Care merch at businessof.tech. Finally, if you're interested in advertising on the show, visit mspradio.com/engage. Once again, thanks for listening to me. I will talk to you again on our next episode of The Business of Tech.
Part of the MSP Radio Network.